Good day, I am Mercy Panareglo, and for today I'm going to tackle about the Japanese cuisine. Traditional cuisine of Japan is based on rice with miso soup and other dishes.
There is an emphasis on seasonal ingredients. Side dishes often consist of fish and pickled vegetables.
What is Japanese cuisine known for and why?
Japanese cuisine is known for its beauty and delightful subtle flavors. Traditional Japanese fare always manage to look like a work of art since it is based on washoku. Apart from that, it's incredibly healthy as well, which is deemed the reason why Japanese people live a long life.
The following are the list of famous Japanese food that we must try.
Sushi, okonomiyaki, miso soup, yakitori. I am Mercy Panareglo from BSHM 2A.